sky you're interested in, not the tree.
Oh, ooh. That was close.
You hit church first.
This is part 2 of the thunder.
No, I wouldn't want to be doing now. That's a 1 in the clock. There's a lightning hit actually that goes down the stairs. You can't help but hang on to it actually.
I think it's just rain now.
It's right on us. He's charging. He's charging. There's going to be a big one in a.
If my phone just power cuts just as I finish filming, that would be really annoying.
Now.
Oh,
Oh.
right there.
It's right on us.
Oh.
It's about a mile away. That's less than a second, wasn't it? They tend to follow rivers actually, Aaron.
But where's the nearest river here?
Well, the Cam's not that far, but it's only a stream, isn't it?
Wouldn't it be Bassingbourne Springs? Because that's...
Well, it could be. So, Bassingbourne's obviously that side, but trying to think of the nearest water.
Oh, it would be Ashwell Springs, wouldn't it, to us?
Yeah, and which of course Ashwell's over there. I think it's right on Ashwell now. Oh, that's a nice fork. Did you get that?
Yeah, I did.
I have a really bad headache all day, and I wonder if maybe it's because of the low pressure.
Mm.
I just feel a bit heady. Oh, I got soaked this evening. 2 or 3 drinks.
I do hope you enjoyed the thunder, guys, and the lightning. These 2 videos will both be going up on my channel. Hopefully, before the power cut. Hey! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, it's moved away. It's moved further away.
Yeah, it's gone further away, I think. I hope my fingers are not blocking the lens. Grips. This has been Aaron's Cooking Antics, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, Phil. Goodbye.
Cooking index.
Mm-hmm.